Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to change router password. So the first thing that you want to do here is we want to actually open up any browser that you have on your PC. So right now, I'm going to use Google Chrome for this example. So the next thing that you want to do here is you want to go to the following address that I have on my URL. So it's 192.168.0.1. If that doesn't work, you might want to try 192.168.1 and 0.1. So you could either try both of those addresses and see if that works. So if those address doesn't work, then you might want to refer on the underneath side of your router. You should be able to see a link or a similar kind of address for your router. So if you don't see that address there, you could refer to their website of your manufacturer and check what is their default address for your admin page. So here, once in your admin page, sometimes it's going to ask you to input your admin and admin username and your password. So you just need to type in the admin and password there. So if you don't know your admin username and your password, so typically it's usually admin and admin. So that username is admin and the password is also admin. But with the latest type of routers right now, so if this is the first time that you're accessing your admin site, it's typically going to ask you the password that you want to set for your router. So it's no longer going to ask admin username, so it's going to directly ask you to add a new password. So there, just set your password, and from there, just use it again to log in into your settings account, and from there we'll be able to change our router password. And here I've just successfully logged in into my account. So the next thing that we want to do here is we want to go to the wireless tab of our admin page here. So for example, I want to go to the wireless section here at the left panel of my screen. And from here, I should be able to see my network name. So if you want to update your network name here for better identification, you can go ahead and do that. Now, underneath the wireless settings here, we'll be able to see the wireless security settings. So just click on wireless security. And now from this page, you should be able to see your wireless password. So from here, you just need to type in the password that you want to use or the password you want to replace this with. And from there, you just need to click on the save button, and that would actually save your changes here, and your router password should be now updated. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.